everyone, my name is Susastino. I am from Team A Group B. Today I am going to talk on the topic of why cut vegetable change color. You have noticed that many vegetables like potatoes and fruits like apples change its color when we cut this fruit or vegetable, and when you notice that after a few minutes later it inside parts or the when the eatable part change its colors into black and brownish color. This happens due to a chemical process named oxidation. It happens due to prevent the spoilage from the contents of the air. Then happens due to the enzymes react with the air so that it can prevent the spoilage. This can be prevented by storing in the waters and putting into the box container so that we can prevent them, or keep in a safe place rather than from the air so that we can prevent this oxidation or spoilage. If you have any doubt, ask me.
Why oxidation is less when vegetables are in water?
It happens because when it is inside the water, the piece of the vegetable does not get the air from the atmosphere so that it cannot be easily get to in the brown and blackish color. Then when you see that when it is in the inside the water, the water does not allow any air inside the water. When you see that when your rubber tube, when you put in the water, it flows. When that rubber tube should be full of air. When you put in the pond or lake, it does not go inside. When you push hard, it goes and fast it comes up. It tries to come up because the air does not allow air to go inside. It only allows the oxygen to go inside so that the oxygen process can be reduced.
Why it does not affect the taste of the vegetable?
It does not affect the taste of the vegetable because it just affects the inside, that is the eatable part of the fruit. That enzymes only get color change like black and brown, but the inside parts or the taste does not affected. Just the oxidation process just affects the that affect just the outer place. That means the eatable place. It is just the change of the color to protect from the air. It not just affects the taste of the food.
Why does the vegetable does not change its color when it is not peeled or cut?
Because it does not change its color because the when it have been cutted or peeled, the outer portion, the skin has been covered the fruit so that the air cannot inside the edible part of the fruit, so that the oxidation process does not may happen, so that it does not affect the color changes in the fruit. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.